interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives, will shortly be delivering a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Due to the transmission of this message, please do not turn off your TV or radio device at this time. It is important to view the alert as it pertains to a global crisis that is ongoing. At 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there were reports of a material known as iron spreading across the entire world. Reports of people getting stuck in areas and poses as they slowly turn into iron. In addition, plants, animals, vehicles, buildings, materials, objects and water from rivers, lakes, ponds and pools were seen turning into iron across the entire world. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has revealed that there is no method of reversing this event and that the entire world will turn into iron within the next 5 hours. The President of the United States, as well as many world leaders, have been killed and turned into iron, which has resulted in government collapses occurring across the world. At this time, gather your friends and family and await the final moments of humanity together. Do not tell younger children about this event. Pray to your God or goddess if you are part of the religion and repent. Ask for forgiveness. The President has selected a quote from the Bible to play on the air, and it goes as follows. Luke 12:11-12. When you are brought before synagogues, rules, and authorities, do not worry about how you will defend yourselves or what you will say, for the Holy Spirit will teach you at that time what you should say. We will now sign off for the final time with one last playing of our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. Your government thanks you for your cooperation, but this is the end. May God have mercy on us all.